In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS and custom CSS files in Prestashop efficiently. If you're eager to personalize your online store with your unique style and aesthetics, this guide is just what you need. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your shop admin login page. You can do this by visiting your shop domain followed by admin in the URL. Once you're there, you'll need to input your email and password to access your shop's backend. It's always a good idea to make sure your login credentials are secure, so double check them before proceeding. After entering your details, go ahead and click login. You'll then be redirected to your Prestashop backoffice dashboard where all the magic of managing your online store happens. Now let's move on to the design section, which is the heart of customization. Click on design in your dashboard menu. The navigation will lead you right where we need to be. Here, you'll want to select themes and modules. Within this section, you will find advanced customization. Clicking on this will open up several possibilities for personalizing your store's look and feel. To add your custom CSS, you can access the theme directory through an FTP client or file manager. It's worth noting, if you're using a hosted trial account, direct access to the file manager might be restricted. But don't worry, there's another way. You can integrate custom CSS directly by adding it to the assets /cs custom.css file. This is a direct approach if you're comfortable with file management. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more guided process, head to modules and click on module manager. Once there, you can search for a module like custom CSS, custom code, or HTML box. Installing such a module usually involves simply clicking install and opening the module settings that follow. Within these settings, you'll find a box to add your custom CSS code. This method is particularly user-friendly and allows real-time customization with immediate impact. Once you've added your custom CSS, it's crucial to make sure it's properly integrated and visible. Navigate to the settings section, then find advanced parameters. Within this category, click on performance. Here, to ensure that your changes are up to date, you'll want to disable the cache temporarily. After doing this, click clear cache to clean up any residual data that might prevent your CSS changes from appearing. And there you have it. With your cache cleared, your custom CSS should be live on your Prestashop store, giving it the unique style and flair you envisioned. Remember, whether you opt for direct file edits or module installations, each approach offers different benefits and flexibilities to suit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.